Hi friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Once again, I welcome all to Kesaria Textile family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today, I'm not going to show you the products. Today, I've come up with business ideas, especially how to start a clothing business. As according to a generation, if I talk about the segments, so kids generation and kids clothing business are at the market. It's very demand. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a kids clothing business. If you want to invest, if you're really kids lovers, this video will be helpful to you. So keep watching, subscribe the channel for the regular updates for products. You can easily do online 24/7 shopping. There's a bell icon over there. So this video will be helpful to you. Suit material, lehengas, kids collections, bottom, dupattas, many fabrics a manufacturer can give you. So first point, you have to find out the manufacturer where I can get multiple segments, multiple varieties. And second point, you have to see the sizes. You have to see the varieties and season to season new collections. And at factory price, either I'm getting or not, you have to see the point. If I talk about second point, if you want to invest on the kids collections business, minimum 2 to 3 lakhs or 3 to 4 lakhs you can invest. This is my second point. If I talk about third point, investment is yours. And if you want to open a shop, you want to take some 300 to 400 square feet of space, and you can remodule the infrastructure with all those things, how to set up a shop of clothing business. In that, you have to see the interiors, interior things like how a kids showroom or shop will be concepted and displaying the things and varieties of kids in that segments, girl babies collections and boy babies collections. You can easily you can set a place where it will be very attractive to people. That is most important point. And next, when you choose a place, when you choose a shop, the location point is very most important. Why? When you find a location, that location should be more visible. That location should be more kids area or school area. Then only people will come, parents will come to purchase. So whenever, before putting a shop, find out the surrounding area where elders are more population or kids are more. That area you have to select. And second point, investment, as I said, electricity, EB. If I talk about parking facilities, there should be a two-wheeler parking, four-wheeler parking, and they should not be a one-way. They should not be a one-way where every time they have to take U-turn. There is a circle, there is a traffic police. I can't go to shop. That is and all very problematic to our customers. Everyone needs very comfortable. I have seen the shop, so I have to go. I have to purchase. So that mentality people are looking for facilities nowadays. So when you find out a location, such a location where kids area and the market area where people will come to purchasing or market every week, people are come easily. They can walk around at your shop. They can easily purchase and set up customers where they can sit and easily see the collections. What about the margin? How I will sell the collections? Depend on your locality. Every city or every place, the prices will be vary, right? So according to that, in your area, what collections and what kind it got selling, you have to take some ground level information. Then according to that, you can also keep margin and you can take that profit. So you no need to you no need to fix a margin, or you no need to get confused, I can say. So based on your locality, based on your city, based on your which place you are, which city you are, according to that, you have to put a margin and you have to you can start selling. Coming to marketing. Today, the generation is more demand and running behind the digital marketing. You can easily you can open your website and you can keep it active, and you can also have a social media pages, Facebook, Instagram. You can do some marketing activities or strategies, and you can also have, if you want to invest, you can have also pamphlets also. You can give easily to the entire location. So easily the people start around coming walking, and you can start your business flow, and you can see the customers and ensure you can give some offers, and you can have a smooth communication with the customer, understand customer requirements. Every customer have a details in profile, contact number to send a wishes according to birthdays, anniversaries, kids birthdays. So then that will give a one smooth bonding with the customer. So these all points are very most important. And one more thing is license. You should have a trading license when you start your shop or business. Starting this is enough, and many more things you can invest according to your investment, and you can directly purchase and directly tie up with manufacturers. Because when you deal with manufacturer, you will get experience, you will come to know a lot of segments, you will come to know the actual factory price, and you can put directly that margin. Going and behind distributors, dealers, you can directly deal with a manufacturer. So friends, these are the small ideas I've shared with you. So the space and the location and the infrastructure of the shop, and you can invest, and easily you can see a profit per month 40 to 50,000 accordingly, depend on your investment and your place and city, how you're taking flow and you're starting and doing and showing interest on your business. So I end up this video. I believe this video will be helpful to you. So next video I'll come up with many more business information videos. So subscribe the channel for the regular updates. There's a bell icon, just click it. Keep supporting. Next video I'll come up. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.